Hi, and welcome to this new episode of What's New on OCI. Today, we're going to be dedicating this episode to the top 5 new services that were launched during Oracle Cloud World event that took place last week. First, let's start with the announcement of 2 new GPU compute instances leveraging 2 new NVIDIA chips, the A10 and the top-of-the-line NVIDIA A100 GPU, ideal for your complex graphics design and HPC jobs. Next, the launch of MySQL Heatwave Lakehouse functionality. You already know MySQL Heatwave, a MySQL database that breaks the barrier between transactional processing, analytics, and machine learning all in one service. With the Lakehouse functionality, you can now process and query your data directly in your object stores without replication in a variety of file formats such as CSV, Parquet, or backups of Aurora and Redshift with the same performance as if it was in your database. Exceptional accomplishment with Lakehouse from the MySQL team. And MySQL Heatwave is available in OCI, but as well in AWS, as we announced last month, and now as well available in Azure, as it was announced last week. So I encourage you to try it. Thank you. Let me pass it on to Michelle for more launches.
Thanks, Julian. That's some really cool stuff coming out of Cloud World. More exciting announcements include full stack disaster recovery and new additions to the OCI app development portfolio. Full stack disaster recovery is essentially disaster recovery as a service. With a single click, it transitions your application's platform and infrastructure from one OCI region to another. Create a DR recovery group, and you're able to deploy a full DR environment without redesigning your architecture. This new service is extremely flexible, extensible, and scalable, so be sure to check out more in the description. Cloud-native app development just got more extensive to help developers better build, run, modernize, and extend applications. Virtual nodes is a new serverless capability of the Oracle Container Engine for Kubernetes, which allows you to leverage Kubernetes without worrying about your worker node infrastructure. And if you don't need the orchestration of Kubernetes, the new OCI container instances lets you create and run containers in seconds. Choose your memory and CPU, hit deploy, and you've got yourself a simple, reliable, and secure option for running containers in the cloud. Shig, wrap up the Cloud World news for us.
Thanks, Michelle. Oracle Alloy is a new infrastructure platform offering that allows partners and organizations to become cloud providers and offer cloud services built on OCI to their customers. Alloy can be customized, extended, and independently operated to deliver a tailored experience that also meets specific needs and requirements of their market or industry. For more detail on Oracle Alloy, click the link in the descriptions below. In late October, we added our 12th Azure Interconnect region, which directly connects OCI's Johannesburg region with Azure's South Africa North region. Customers in Africa can now combine the best of both clouds for a true multi-cloud experience. Well, that's all we could fit in from Cloud World in less than 5 minutes. We hope this gave you a taste of the many exciting news, and there's plenty more in our What's New blog and our Cloud World site, including replays of keynote sessions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this series, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have feedback or questions, please post them in the comments below. Thanks again. We look forward to seeing you next month on What's New in OCI.